Good afternoon. This is Alexis, Customer Success Manager at ProSymmetry. In this video, I'm going to be walking through snapshots. So the first thing that I want to mention is, what is a snapshot? So a snapshot is the ability to capture project data at a certain point in time. And that project data includes the attributes, the allocation demand, the build team, and so on. So first, I'm going to navigate to my project management tile, and I'm going to click into an individual project. Next, I'm going to come over to these three dots up here and select snapshots. Here's where you can see all of my previous snapshots that I have taken. You can see that I have titled them. I have assigned some of them a snapshot type, which I went over in another video. You can see who created the snapshot and when it was created. You also have the ability to delete snapshots over here. If you click into a snapshot, you can now see that this green bar appears up here. If I click into here, I have the ability to toggle between my different snapshots that I have taken. Within this snapshot, I can now, go into my project, and let me go to, let's see, where I have some data. Okay. So I can, toggle between my task, my resource view. I can, toggle between these different things from different data sets, pull in specific attributes. Let's see where those will pull in right here. Can see this, day, week, month, time, cost, FTE. I can also toggle between my plan and my actuals. I can come into my attributes and see what those are set as. I can also play around with my build, or not play around, see my build team, my financials, milestones, and schedule. Again, this is showing exactly when this snapshot was taken. So this is as of 23 November, 7:34. All right, next I'm going to come out of that snapshot, and let's go back into our snapshot screen. So there are a few different places that you can take a new snapshot. So within this screen, you have the ability to create snapshot here. Also on the attributes page, you can snapshot a project here as well. This little camera icon is for snapshots. You also can go back to the project management screen, and you can see the little camera here. You can snapshot, save this project. I want to snapshot it today. You also have the ability to bulk snapshot. So if I want, these 4 projects snapshotted today, I can do that here. I believe that the last thing that I want to mention in terms of snapshots is that you have the ability to report on your snapshots within report management in a pivot grid, as well as within Insight Plus. We do have some more snapshot information within our help center, but if you have any specific questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I'd love to help. Thank you, guys.